let's clear this up. Yes, you can get sexually transmitted infection from oral sex. So most people feel like oral sex is a low risk one, but the truth is that infections like gonorrhea, syphilis, HPV, and even chlamydia can all be transmitted through oral sex. Let me explain this better to you. This is because during oral sex, there's still skin to skin and body fluid contact. And so the throat, the mouth, and even the genitals can all serve as entry points for this infection. Now, what can you do about this? What you can do is, use barrier protections like condoms or dental dams, and also avoid having oral sex when you or your partner have sores or cuts. Definitely regular STI screening. I mean, we can't overemphasize this, right? And you know why? Yeah, summary of all of this is that safe sex still matters, and using protection doesn't make sex less fun. It just makes you healthier. Dr. Mutiak, and you're welcome.